Hey guys, today I will be teaching you how to get infinite money in an animal company. Let's go. Okay, where's my backpack? I want to put this in. Okay, wait, let's retry that intro. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to get infinite money in an animal company. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So you will find this cheese on this table. You'll find this cheese on this table. You can bring it over to this. You can bring it over to this money thingy. I don't know what it's called. Then it'll give you like 40 bucks. Well, no, like 41 monies. Now, it will always respawn on this table. So you just have to wait like a minute or two or something like that. So yeah. And that's how you hear it. I'll show you once again once it respawns. Like we could just walk around the like I'm sorry if I'm boring you guys. Wait, what? Oh yeah, so there's the cheese. It is right back here again. Take it. Go over here. Then it gives you another $41. 442. And that's how you can get And that's how you can get infinite money in Animal Company.